Hey guys, it's Alex here, and in today's video, I want to show you how to use AI, ChatGPT, and Search Console, Google Search Console, to easily find those low-hanging fruit keywords that you're not ranking for, that you want to be ranking for, right? So I just did a few videos on this, and I thought, why am I doing this manually when I can use ChatGPT? It took me a while to come to think of that because I'm not very clever. Anyways, so I just made a few videos about how to find low-hanging fruit keywords with Search Console, and this is just going to go along the same process, right? So logging into Search Console, you just want to click here to full report, or you can click search results on the left. And then from here, I would say change to as much data as you have as you want. Eventually, you're going to run into issues with with 404s and stuff. So 6 months for the case of this site is going to be plenty. Export that into a CSV file, right? And again, there's always going to be some manual work that needs to be done, but ChatGPT can help speed that along. From there, you're going to want to go into ChatGPT, and with your zip file, and I have a bunch of them, you're going to want to open it up, take the zip file, and then grab the queries .csv file, right? And then you pop this file to ChatGPT. Unable to load. Okay, let's hit it with a refresh. We're doing it live, guys. Pop this into ChatGPT. Now, from here, you're going to want to say, I want you to list 50 of the best queries that would be considered low-hanging fruit from an SEO perspective. Now, I did this a few times, and what happened is ChatGPT will give you ones that are like on you're ranking second or third for. I don't think those are worth competing for, especially if you're just looking for those quick wins. So you just say, make sure the queries are currently ranking 10 plus, right? Super basic, right? And then you just click send message. You will need ChatGPT 4 for this. You can probably do it in Playground with just the API and your credit card, but super simple query. And we'll see what ChatGPT cooks up. I'm just going to pause for a second while it finishes analyzing because I'm not sure how quick it'll be. Okay, there was an error. Let's regenerate and see what happens. This has worked before. I'm not sure why it's giving me an error now, but I'm just going to pause and jump back into this in a moment. Okay, so I had to double check this with the other results, but you're going to have faith in ChatGPT here. It's saying that it's just ranking at positions 10 or higher, but this is a list of those low-hanging fruits. In previous times I've tried this, it has said things like those are the lower CTR, higher impressions. You can add that to the prompt if you want. But what's cool about this is, again, this is kind of where ChatGPT works, and you're still going to have that manual effort, right? You're still going to have to go back to Search Console and verify these. But as you go through this, right, your list, you'll be able to kind of pull out a theme. For example, for me, I keep seeing Algonquin Park. I keep seeing mountain lions, right? And to me, those are the two themes that stick out the most, right? So I thought I would ask ChatGPT which topic shows up the most. It does pull out Algonquin, and then I had it kind of give me I gave it a better prompt to get more relevance from the actual topics that I want, and it did bump out Algonquin Park, which has 17 occurrences. So of the top 50, almost half of them, close to half, are about Algonquin Park, which means this could be a higher competition keyword, but improving the Algonquin Park page is going to give me a bigger boost. Now you're going to want to do this as well with your own pages, with your own sites, with the own CSV, and then so from here we can just go to pages, and probably Algonquin Park is one of the better ones. Unfortunately, I don't think I have that many posts about Algonquin. So let's just do page and then contains Algonquin to see what pages we have. So we have a Algonquin Northern Lights day trip, right? So we do have a bunch of them, and even on the right here, right, you can see the average position for a lot of them. We are stuck on page 2 or 3 for quite a lot of these Algonquin Park keywords. And then, for example, this is going to be as easy as reviewing the page. For example, Northern Lights in Algonquin Park, right? This page is complete trash. And then even if you have no idea how to improve it, you can just probably hop over to ChatGPT and say, how would you perspective. ChatGPT gets the point, and we'll see what this cooks up. And I would just jump back in a second to just kind of conclude and show you what the results are. All right, so unfortunately, ChatGPT didn't give me any data. I put it into Bard, and it did say it would give me more keyword help. I could add more keywords related to that page, but it's really that simple, right? You can use AI to help you along every step of the way, and that's what's cool with AI, with ChatGPT here, right? It gave me the topic. It'll give you an area of focus, and without it, it's just going to be a lot more manually reviewing keywords, trying to find a focus, waiting until you pick up on something. And you can even have ChatGPT review every single query, give you, the top 15, 20 bigger focuses, areas of focus of where you should spend your time. If you have huge sites, you're going to want to be doing this anyways, because, for example, even here, we have, this is still pages, right? What are we looking at here? Yeah, still pages. And then we have, max keywords. We have over 1,000 searched queries to go through. So you're going to want to be using AI to help you with this, regardless. And yeah, that's where ChatGPT comes in, and how I would use it, or how I will be using it to improve sites. Really cool little trick here. And yeah, as always, you guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns. Appreciate feedback overall, and we will see you guys in the next video.